Okay, so what we're doing here, basically we're preparing ourselves for our architraves. So save the hassle and heartache and hard work of having to drill into the concrete once it's poured and set. We're preempting the situation by inserting threads through the polystyrene now. Concrete will set around it as per this one here, which we prepared earlier. Once the walls are complete, we'll strip away the polystyrene here, and that's where the architraves will go. So yeah, just to make it easier. And it's as easy as that. A lot easier to be drilling through polystyrene rather than concrete, where you don't have to. There you go.